की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ki pulit ke is kasih hers belayo ke jingtip ke babenia na kita nak sentiat jang kita nak shipai border security force. Haka pradrik naitung arajar arpusan kelayo kem ki Arngut ki Mynder Bangladeshi wishin rang bat kuwi ke kentei ki buan rung tu syapo pudu sam jang keri India kat bagidang temu balik pai syari Bangladesh. Hau kerwa bela pa daga tenan shipai BSF hakash potrik naitung arajar arpusan lepentip bagi pulit kelayo bat de kuwi ke kali alto kebadan yau number ML shipho sau iwe sau not hasurok Mawlai bypass Shillong bat daga jing tokit lap bagi Arngut ki Mynder Bangladeshi kilawan rung tu she India daga jingarap jang ki Arngut ki nong India kila temu balik pai she Bangladesh. Yaki Arngut ki Mynder Bangladeshi, bat yaki Arngut ki nong India, lara no anda ki pulit syatanan ban pelong syu-syu, yaka jing tokin, kaba benya.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs. This is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.